comes our crew on approach. This is actually the second approach onto the dock, and let's see if they can get it landed this time. I am curious about this one. You guys will see this when we get up here. I saw it on the first attempt. Our guy holding the line in the blue shirt, his pants are completely soaked. I don't know if he fell in somewhere and I missed that, but something's gone on. But here we go. They're going to make another approach. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp, and obviously today we are at Point Marina. So Cap, he's coming in a little hot. He's committing on this one. Trick is, I'm not sure which dock he's committing to. I think he thought he was going to go there. They might not have seen the little canoe that's there. So we're going to have to try and line it up one more time. And it looks like they're going to choose to go just to the dock right next door. We got several people on the ready, so he's got assistance, but here you can see our guy's pants are soaked. I don't know what the heck happened there. He's on the dock. Oh, Cap's gonna get the bow in. Are we gonna hit? Just a little love tap. It does do the bounce back. Cap, we've got two lines on the dock. You might as well turn it off. Let my man walk you up. Even our girl in the bow probably could get off and give the assist. There we go. And the crew should be good to roll from here. Dropping the trailer a little deeper. They're kind of struggling to get it on. And now we've got the tires in the water. Never a good sign down here at Black Point as well. By all means, I would recommend most people try and avoid that happening. But here we go, he's got the easy winch now. The trailer's plenty deep. May even be a little too deep as the stern's floating. But we're going to attempt to pull out. Let's see how she fares. Trying to keep it lined up over the trailer. Once again, they were just a little too deep. And oh, it's going to load crooked. Cap's probably going to have to make another run at this. Oh, and he's sliding now too, spinning tires. We're definitely going to have to back this one down. Now he's going to keep trying to pull it up even though it's crooked on the trailer. And sliding some more. And he's up by the winch, so it looks like he's going to try and bring the boat further onto the trailer, which is not a bad plan. I'll add a little more tongue weight, but I mean, it's just off, and your weight balance is off because the boat's not on the trailer correctly. Yeah, good luck, bro. You're not going to push that one on. It basically kind of looks back like, bro, you should have told me that it wasn't right. So here we go. We're going to back this one down, try and get it centered. Here's somebody else spinning tires. It looks like our deck boat we just watched dock next to him is spinning and stuck on the ramp as well. Bone and Biggie in the background. What? Going old school down here at Black Point today. I love how our guys are waist deep in the water trying to get this boat centered. And he's asking if he's got the thumbs up. We definitely look more centered now. But if you look to the left too, we're loading people in the back of the truck where the deck boat is also. They are stuck on the ramp too. So our guy's going to leave this boat now that they've cleared the hump over here, and he's going to go over here and help the deck boat crew jump in the back of the truck as well. Let's see if we can get a twofer. Can we get both of them off the ramp? And with the help of everybody, it looks like we're good to go, and they've got this one over the hump as well. And our crew in the formula is trying to get it done. These boats are always a little tough because you don't have easy bow access, so somebody needs to walk up there. But everybody looks a little hesitant on this boat to do so, so Cap's having to do most of the work here. Our girl in the back's trying to grab the dock as they come close enough, but Cap's just not been able to get that stern over. And the tough part's she's there, but our guy that's sitting in the middle of the boat's holding the line, so none of this is assisting the Cap at all. Cap will come in for another attempt. And again, he's coming bow in, but when your only help's on the stern, you gotta get the stern close enough to the dock, bro. Our girl's kind of backed off this time. Our guy's got a boat hook, but we're gonna choose not to use it. We're gonna have to back out again and try it one more time. Really, one of these people probably just needs to walk up the side, get into the bow of the boat. He's had the bow on the dock several times. A light toss of a line probably would have got him on. Coming in a little hot. Cap's probably going to have to brake check this one. And brake checks it again. Stern's still out, though. Oh, there we go. Somebody's finally trying to go for a toss on the line. The first one's a miss. Second shot, miss. Third shot. Did we get it on? No, I thought they had it, but it slid off again. And fourth is a no-go, and the fifth time's the charm on this one. And our guy's able to get it around, but as far off as they are, they probably should have landed this the first time they were out here, as they definitely could have got it on them, but they're good to go now, and they're going to get out of here. And speaking of getting out of here, we're going to get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.